What excited? Can I help you? Yes, please. I want that skirt, the green one. Okay, here you are. Then you look great. How about this skirt? Oh, it's pretty. I like it. Put it on. Can I help you? I wanna cap. How about this one? I don't like leather. Show me that. Look at please. Do you like it? Yes, but it's small. Put on this cap. Oh, it's nice. You look great, Lisa. Thank you. Bye. Bye. Hello, I am narrator. Hello, I am Alice. Hello, I am Bill. Bill is the city mouse. The city has many cars and there are many people. City food tastes great. I like ice cream and cake. Bill loves city life. Alice is Bill's cousin. She lives in a farm. She loves country life. One day, Bill visits his cousin. Hello! What are those? They are cows. What are those? They are hens. When do we eat? Soon we have beans and bacon. Beans and bacon? It's peasant food. So city is great. The food great too. I have cake and ice cream every day. What are cake and ice cream? They are delicious. Come and see. I come. Bill and Alice arrive in the city. Watch out for the cars. They are everywhere. The city is full of cows. Alice is afraid. Don't worry. We'll get home safe. Try some ice cream. It's delicious. What's that? Those are the dogs. I don't like dogs. They don't like me. Don't worry. They will go away soon. The city is great. Perhaps I like beans and bacon in fish, not cake and ice cream in fear. Alice goes back to the country. She stays on the farm and she lives happily ever after. Thank you. Bye.
I'm Bob.
Hello, I am Frank. It looks delicious.
How silly you look. Don't worry, I'll explain clean. How nice of you. I love soup.
I'm ready you to enjoy. Now don't worry. I'll sing your song for you.
I was nice to the friend, so she was nice to the me.
I wasn't nice to first.
I know. I'll be nicer next time. I'll beat the friend away.
I know. I'll be nicer next time. I'll beat the fastest way. Here is your bill.
How nice of you.
It was nothing.
I'm glad I was nice to the friend.
I'm glad I was nice to first.
See you.
Bye.
Hello, I am Minji.
Hello, I am Anna.
Hello, I am Jackson. Hello, I am Cody. Where are you going? We are going home. This isn't. Wait a minute. Anna house on the corner. Yes, it is. I want to borrow your dictionary. Let's look under the door. Hi Anna, can I borrow your dictionary?
Of course, please come in.
Thank you. Come on, Jackson.
Surprise!
Wow, what's going on?
We are having a party.
It's value day. Let's play a game. Okay, what do you want to play?
How about pinata?
Sounds like fun.
How do we play?
I can show you.
Cover your eyes, then take this feather in around. Now sing the melody of pinata. Nice try.
Good job, Jason.
Wow, the candy is falling. Pick up the candy. Do you want some grapes?
Not like now. Thanks. I have something to drink.
Sure, the drinks are in the refrigerator.
We present for you. Open it. Yes, baseball. Thanks. I love it. Thank you for the party. You are great friends. Good, Rocky in Texas.
Write to us soon. Take care, Jason.
Thank you. Goodbye. Hello, I am narrator.
Hello, I'm Naya.
Hello, I am Freddy. The fox is walking in the woods. It's a wonderful day. The sun is out. The air is clear.
Yes, but it is a nice day, but I am hungry.
I'm hungry too, lion.
I want some meat. We are foxes, and foxes love meat.
The two foxes keep looking for food. The foxes keep walking through the woods, then pressed by the crow. Lion, look at the tree.
It's just a crow.
Yes, but what's in the mouth?
It's the meat. Where did she get it?
Who cares? I want it. Try to act like me.
Okay.
Hello, Mrs. Crow. How pretty you are. Your body and your beak.
How lovely you look. You are more than a crow. You are beauty of the sky.
The two foxes tried to trick the crow. I wish she would sing. Her voice must be grand.
Her song?
Yes, her lovely song. How beautiful it must be.
Yeah, she does not sing. How sad.
Perhaps she cannot. Two frogs said the crow tried to sing. Cow, cow, cow. But the meat fell from her mouth.
Her song is ugly. But here's our juicy meat.
The foxes eat the meat. Long listen, Mrs. Crow. Others may say nice things to you, but they may just want what you have. Thank you.
Hello, I am narrator. Hello, I am Marty.
Hello, I am Greg.
Look, an ant and a grasshopper. They are in a field of corn. It is summer. Hello, boy, how are you?
I'm a happy grasshopper. I hop and play.
That's all right, but I have to work.
Don't work. The sun is out. The sky is blue.
So I'm sorry, Greg, not today.
Why not?
I just told you I have to work. Artie carries the seed, but Greg takes it.
I like to play ball. Look at my ball.
Not for it's a seed and it's mine. Artie says leave him alone, but Greg wants to play tag. I'm not playing, ants need food.
Food is everywhere. Who needs to work?
Artie, every day Artie works and Greg plays. Soon it is fall.
I have lots of food. Winter is once away.
Greg kicks the ball. It flies into the air.
It's not heavy. Ha ha ha. That was funny.
One day snow begins to fall. Winter is here. I can enjoy good food.
It's very cold today. I'm very hungry.
More snow falls. The ground is white. Artie is warm in his nest.
I want my lesson. It's fun to play. It's wise to work and play.
Have a nice day. Hello, I am Sora. Hello, I am Toby. Today is my birthday. Oh, happy birthday. Thank you. How old are you? I'm 10. This is for you. Wow, a car. I like it. Good. Happy birthday. Thanks. You're welcome. Look at the cake. How many candles count today? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8,